Hello everyone, how is your day going? In today's presentation, I will discuss on tips on how you can make your money work for you. Before I proceed, a quick reminder to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Also like and share this video and press the notification button. Now let's get started. How you can make your money work for you. Number 1, invest in yourself and your financial education. Put your money to work by developing and improving your knowledge and skills on finance and business, marketing, leadership and people's management, negotiation and conflict management, and other skills that can help you to grow your wealth. Read books and watch videos and listen to audios on how money works and grows. Attend free and paid seminars. As you increase your skills and financial knowledge, so your value will increase and your wealth will grow. Put another way, your skills and financial knowledge has a direct proportion to the value of your net worth and wealth. Number 2, pay down your debt. One of the most important things that you can do to make your money work for you is to pay down and eliminate bad debts. Make it a priority to pay down your high interest consumer debts like credit card debts and other consumer debts. I must mention here that debt can also help you to accelerate your financial growth. Go for good debts. For example, the funds you borrow to invest in real estate, stock or shares, and for business. Embrace good debts and run away from bad consumer debts. Number 3, grow your wealth through investing. For example, if you invest in high yield interest savings account, you will earn interest. If you invest in stock or shares, you can earn dividend and capital growth. If you invest in real estate, you earn rental income, capital appreciation, and you can also use real estate to defend your wealth or your money against inflation. Number 4, take advantage of credit card rewards. If you can be disciplined with your spending, you can use credit card for all your spending where possible and take advantage of credit card points or credit card rewards. However, beware of the dangers of using credit card. Also beware that vendors could charge you for using credit card to make purchases. If you must use credit card where you are charged for using credit card, you could use a debit card. You could also use a credit card, but weigh the cost and the benefit. Next, invest in passive income stream. For example, you could invest in rental property or in business where you are not actively involved. You could write a book and earn royalties. You could invest in shares and earn dividend or capital appreciation. You could do some online businesses, and you could also be actively engaged in social media where you could earn some money. Next, set up your own business or buy one with your money and put your money to work. Next, start investing early. However, don't put all your investment in one basket. Diversify your portfolio. Next, have multiple sources of income. For example, if you have a permanent job, you could do a side job with your extra time. Finally, control your money. Use a budget. You must at any point in time know where your money is going and how much you actually earn. We have to stop here for today. Please subscribe and like this video. Until my next presentation, thank you very much, merci beaucoup, and bye for now.